This is the Medeco Duracam. Key works. Let's try to pick it. First I'm gonna scramble the pins. Okay. I think that should do it. Alright. Gonna start by putting some tension in and start rotating the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna try to lift them. Click on 4. One is bending. Click on him. Now 3, a little click on 3. Click on 5, a little turn on the core. Click on 4, click on 3, and we are open. Alright. Now, gonna partially got this lock. I'm not gonna disassemble it completely because I do not have required tools for it, but I'm gonna show you that indeed it has all the pins inside. So let me just remove this real quick. Okay, this part you can install in 2 ways, and you can determine which way the lock can be turned. Like this, it was possible only to turn it clockwise, but you can change that by reinstalling this piece. Okay, slide the core out. Right, here it is. This, the little sidebar. Can I remove it like this? I don't know. I'm not sure. Come on, buddy. Is it even possible to remove it like this? I don't know. Actually, I never got it this lock, so maybe it's not even possible and I'm making a fool of myself. Anyway, it looks like it's firmly in there, but feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. But what I wanted to show are the pins inside. Okay, I think they are visible now. Actually, let me put this light away. Yeah, so you can see there are 5 pins that, of course, like in any other dimple lock, you have to lift. But in this particular case, and because it's a Medeco lock, they also need to be rotated, and you can rotate them like this. Not sure if you can see it, but you can see that indeed the pins rotate, and by rotating you are actually trying to orientate them correctly in order for the sidebar to fall into the gates in the pins. And here's the key. Yeah, you cannot see shit now, but if you look at the key, there are 5 basically cuts, and looking from the side you can see the depth of each pin, and when you look from the top you can see the way this pin has to be rotated. Okay, so there are basically 3 possible positions. I'm not sure, or I'm sure that it would not be that easy to pick if I did not have the key, but I did, and I saw the correct orientation, so I just followed that. I only rotated the pins first and then just lifted them, but in a keyless lock I can imagine it would be a lot harder. But anyway, an open is an open, so I'll take it. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.